In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an N with a tilde symbol in Microsoft Word. The letter Ñ is commonly used in Spanish and a few other languages, and it's important to know how to type it correctly, especially if you are working on academic papers, translations, names, or international documents. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides several simple ways to insert this character, whether you are using a Windows PC or a Mac. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor exactly where you want the letter to appear. One of the easiest methods is using a keyboard shortcut. If you are using a Windows computer with a numeric keypad, hold down the Alt key and type 0241 on the numeric keypad. When you release the Alt key, the lowercase Ñ will appear. For the uppercase version, hold Alt and type 0209. If your keyboard does not have a numeric keypad, you can use the symbol menu instead. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click on Symbol on the right side. Choose More Symbols. A dialog box will open showing different characters. In the Subset drop-down menu, select Latin 1 Supplement. Scroll until you find the letter Ñ. Click on it, then press Insert. After inserting it, you can click Close to return to your document. On a Mac, the process is slightly different. Hold down the Option key and press the letter N. Release both keys, then press N again to produce Ñ. For uppercase, hold Option and press N, then press Shift and N. Using these methods ensures your spelling remains accurate and professional. Whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts or the symbol menu, Microsoft Word makes it easy to insert special characters like Ñ quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.